All right, question number 2. We take the second one. If Z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i, and then Z2 is equal to 3 plus 4i. The question says then Z1 divided by Z2 is what? So they're asking you a question now. What is it? What's the value of dividing this complex number? These are complex numbers. These are complex numbers. So for us to find the solution to this complex number, Z1 over Z2 is equal to what? 2 plus 3i divided by 3 plus 4i. 2 plus 3i divided by uh, uh, 2 plus 3i divided by 3 plus 4i. That's what so what we are going to do now, we need to eliminate the complex number from the denominator. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. Take note of that. The up is numerator and the down part is the numerator. So we are actually going to eliminate the denominator. And how do we eliminate the denominator? Is by we are going to multiply the numerator by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of the denominator is actually the conjugate of 3 plus 4i is equal to what? 3 minus 4i. That's the conjugate. So we are going to multiply and then divide the denominator and the numerator. We are going to multiply the denominator and the numerator by the conjugate of the numerator. So this is exactly what we are going to do. We're going to have Z1, Z2 is equal to what? 2 plus 3i. So let's put it in bracket now. 3 minus 4i divided by 3 plus 4i minus 3 minus 4i. That's exactly what we are supposed to do. So now that we have this way, we are going to expand the expression that we have there. We are going to expand the expression. How do we expand the expression? You use the content of the first bracket to multiply the content of the second bracket. And this also, same for the numerator. So this is going to multiply this, and then this is also going to multiply this. So we are also going to have this, and then this is also going to multiply this. So we also have the same way here, and we have same way here. This is going to go here, and this is also going to go here. So let's work that out now. So we are going to have the first power we're going to have is 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is we have minus 8i. Are we together? So 3 times 3 is 9. So then we have plus 9i. So 3 times this, 3 times 8, what? Consider the signs, plus and minus, we have what? Minus 12i. Minus 12i squared, precisely, I squared. So let's go down to the numerator now. This times this, we are going to have 9. And then this times this, we have what? Minus 12i. Then this times this, we also going to have plus 12i. So this times this, we have, consider the signs. This is minus. Plus times minus is a minus. So 4 times 4 is what? 16i squared. 16i squared. But there's something I want you to take note of, is that by rule, I square is equal to what? 1. I square is equal to 1. So you are going to substitute the value of I square into this expression. But before you do that, because we want to manage space now, let us quickly take care of this part. So let me see if I can manage this space. We have this, we have 6 minus i plus minus 8i plus 9i. We are going to have the bigger number is positive. So what we have there is what? I. We are going to have an I. So here we have what? Remember, this is 1. So this is going to be 12 times 1. We have what? Minus 12 divided by what we have here is we bring down the 9. So minus 12 plus 12. So this is gone. This is already 0. This is gone. This is gone. So we have here 9 minus, remember the 1, 16 times 1, we have 16. We have 16 for that aspect. So let us put them together now. So with what we have there, remember that the value we have for the I is, the value we have for the I, is there something we are missing out there? Okay, this is actually supposed to be positive. This is actually supposed to be positive because we have minus 8I plus 9I, so this is supposed to be what? Plus. So, and then for this other aspect, we have 1, and the 1 is the, sorry, by rule it is minus 1. By rule it is minus 1. So what we have here is what? Minus 1 square, so minus 1 here, and also here we have a minus 1. So this is actually supposed to be a plus. Sorry, I didn't look at that. And then here too, this is actually going to be minus times minus. Then we have also a plus. So let us go ahead. So we have what? 6 plus I plus 12 divided by 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16, are you saying that? So what's going to be our final answer? We connect like terms. 6 plus 12. So we have 6 plus 12 plus I divided by 9 plus this is what? 25. So we have what? 6 plus 12 is 18. So we have 18 plus I divided by 25. And that's our answer. That's our final answer. That's our final answer.